In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Revolut to your bank account. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you've got the Revolut app downloaded onto your device, and then open up the Revolut app and log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, you're going to be taken to a screen like this, and from here you want to come down to this toolbar at the bottom, and you want to actually click onto the payments icon, which is down here in the middle. Next, what you need to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto this plus icon just up here. So from here, you're going to be taken across to the transfer screen, and what you want to do is you're going to see a section called Add New just down here. You want to go ahead and press onto Bank Recipient. From here, what you can do is add your recipient details. So for example, you just want to put your sort code, account number and things like that for your actual bank account. And once you've done that, you want to come down and press the blue Add Recipient button at the bottom. Once that's done, you can now go ahead and send however much money you want to your bank account. Now, if you do have funds available, all you want to do is press the blue send button at the bottom, and that's going to go ahead, start the transfer and transfer the money from Revolut to your bank account. So that is how to transfer money from Revolut to bank account. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.